Hi guys, this is Resonating Motion. I just finished doing several shots, and what you guys could really expect are some colorful, really colorful insect life, especially on my mom's rambutan tree. This is Filipino life. We are here in quarantine right now, and nature just keeps on giving back some really fabulous stuff. Here at Resonating Emotion, we shoot a lot of rain, nature, food, and from the looks of the stuff that I just finished shooting, expect some really colorful insect. Can't wait to show it to you guys once we have uploaded it onto the channel. Stay tuned for that. Stay tuned for announcements and stay safe. Have a good one. Take care.